Y'all, did you know that you can use portobello mushrooms to make amazing vegan pulled pork?
If you like this recipe, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
It's messy, but it's so good.
There are a lot of pulled mushroom sandwiches out there, but so many of them use expensive mushrooms like shiitake. And mushrooms shrink so much when they cook, you need a ton of them to make a pulled mushroom sandwich. Here's how to use portobello mushrooms to make a vegan pulled pork sandwich that's gonna knock your socks off. Start by prepping your portobellos. The first thing you wanna do is trim off the woody end of the stems, but the stems themselves you can shred up and use just like the caps. The really critical part to making the sandwich taste delicious though is to scrape off the gills of the mushrooms. See those soft, dark gills on the inside? Scrape them away and they will get rid of that super mushroomy flavor, so all you'll be left with is an amazing texture. Use your hands to shred the mushrooms and then toss them with smoked paprika and salt. Spread them out on a baking sheet. Spray them with oil and bake until they're tender. When they're done baking, scrape them into a pile and then pour on plenty of barbecue sauce. Mix that together, spread the mushrooms out again, and bake one more time until the sauce is thick and sticky. Now it's time to make your sandwich. I like to pile this onto a toasty bun with vegan mayo and a big ol' heap of my favorite pickled jalapeno slaw. This sandwich makes such a satisfying lunch and it is super easy to make. I can't wait for you to try it. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this pulled mushroom sandwich. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!